Hi, just wanted to give you a quick review on this mini air pump. It's got a light in it. It's really quite amazing. It comes with plenty of attachments. It's got these for like your swimming pool blow-ups. It's got these for air mattresses. This has an amazing light on it. This thing will light up an entire room. Now, I can show you this. Let me turn this light out. Kind of hard to tell in here, but that's the really bright light. And it lights up this entire room. This room is pitch black. When the light is off, you can't see anything. And it will light up the entire room. It has a little hanger on top so that you can hang it from the middle of the room or your tent if you're out camping. It also has an SOS on it. Well, there it is. This is the SOS, so if you're having trouble, I know it doesn't look red in there, but it is really red. If you're having problems or if you're in danger, maybe your car's broke down or something, you can put this out. This is an SOS to let people know that you need help. It also has the bright light, the dim light, well, low light, bright light. And then if you click it twice, this is for airing up your mattresses. Then if you get real desperate and you forget your blow dryer, does that too. If you get too hot, you can use it for a fan. Does a little bit of everything, and it's really quite powerful. And it seems to last a long time too, because we left it on for quite a while. So it's really good. And it has quite a few attachments to it. Definitely an item great for your emergency backpack. It's a very good item to have with you. I suggest keeping one in your car. Definitely a good item. Everybody needs to have one of these. Keep one for your children. Keep one for everybody. Get one of these. Thanks.
What you doing? You go swimming?